Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Fahim Muntasir. My ID is 171351900. Today I discuss about cryptography. In this cryptography, there are several algorithms such as Caesar cipher, polyalphabetic cipher, AutoKey cipher, and substitution cipher. So now I discuss the basic formula of cryptography. The formula is P plus K mod 26. Here P is the numeric values of characters and the range of P is 1 to 26. K is key and 26 is the base of alphabet. So that is the alphabetic value chart. When we encrypt our message, then need to this alphabetic value, then we see the letter when we find our ciphertext. So next slide, the procedure of cryptography. At first, find out the letters numeric values, then use the appropriate formula that we already discussed. And after using the appropriate formula, we will get values from 1 to 26 for each character, and then find the value from the characters and use the character according to the access values in the character for every character. So that is the procedure. So now we implement this procedure. So first one is Caesar cipher. In this cryptography is a Caesar cipher, also known as Caesar cipher, shift cipher, Caesar code, Caesar shift, is one of the simplest and most widely known encryption techniques. So this is Caesar cipher. For encryption, that we need to first plain text and key. We have already set our plain text and key. Here the key is only one numeric value. So now we have plain text and key. So we can encrypt our message and find ciphertext. So now I describe the process. How can we encrypt the message? So there the process I plus 2 mod 26. The value of I, the alphabetic character, the value of I is 9 and my key is 2, so mod 26. 9 plus 2 11 and mod 26. So 11 is mod by 26 because 26 is the base of alphabet. So after mod we can get 11. So the encrypt value is 11. So we need to alphabetic value for ciphertext. So the alphabetic value of 11 is K. Here the alphabetic value of K is I plus 2, the ciphertext K, and then the same rule L plus 2 mod 26 equal to the value of L is 12, key 2 14, that 14 mod by 26, that the encrypt value is 14, the value of alphabet 14 is n, that we get from this chart. So by using this rule we can calculate the other plaintext values and get the encrypt value and the alphabet. Here K N Q G O Z R C T G P U. That is the ciphertext of K N Q X G O A T. Here plain text I love my parents. That's the encrypt message is K N Q X G O R C T and etc. G O C T G P U V, and this is the ciphertext. And now I describe the AutoKey cipher. An AutoKey cipher is a cipher that incorporates message into the key. The key is generated from the message in some automatic fashion, sometimes selecting certain letters from the text or more commonly by adding a short primary key. So now I discuss the AutoKey cipher. How we can encrypt our message by using AutoKey cipher. So at first we need to a plain text. The plain text is the process scan and my key is cipher. At first I set my plain text and key. So Here difference between the scissor cipher and the AutoKey cipher. Here the key is already where key is already set in the table. When its key is finished, then the plain text is set as a key. So here this process, when the cipher is finished, then the start the plain text. This process. The key is running continue until finish the plain text. So we need to know the procedure. How can we encrypt the message and find cipher text? That is the same procedure that I explained in season 7, that I plus C mod 26. So I is the plain text first value and C is the key. So I plus C mod 26, and the alphabetic value of I is 20 and C is 23. That is mod by 26. That my encrypt value is 23. The alphabetic value of 23 is double. So by using this rule, we can calculate this plain text value and find our expected cipher text. The process scan is of plain text, and our cipher text is WQYAUJIKNL KNLIUPQ. That is the AutoKey cipher. AutoKey cipher is difference between other cryptography algorithm. So this key is exceptional from others. Then I describe polyalphabetic cipher. A polyalphabetic cipher is any cipher based on substitution using multiple substitution alphabet. The Vigenère cipher is probably the best known example of a polyalphabetic cipher, though it's a simply special case. So for encryption, we need to plain text and key. We set our plain text and key. The key is continue running until our plain text is finished. So now we encrypt our message and find our cipher text. So that is the same process, B plus C. That B is my plain text first value and C is the key and mod by 26. So the alphabetic value of B is 2 and C is 3. 5 is mod by 26. The encrypt value is 5 and the alphabetic value of 5 is E. So the same procedure, A plus O mod 26. So A is my plain text second value and O is the key's second value. So the value of alphabetic value of A is 1 and O is 25. The value of A is 1 and O is 15. So 16. That 16 is mod by 26. Then we get the encrypt value to 16. The value of 16 is P. So by using this rule, we can encrypt our message and get our cipher text. So by follow this rule, we can calculate our plain text other value, and we can uh, we can uh, take our expected cipher text value. The plain text Bangladesh, the cipher text value is EPIUBSC HHC. That is our cipher text value. And the substitute. Now we discuss the substitution cipher. In cryptography, a substitution cipher is a method of encrypting by which untils of plain text are replaced with cipher text. According to a fixed system, the units may be single letters, pair of letters, triple letters, and mixes of letters, above and so forth. So here I use plain text voyager and key 1 2 3. So now I encrypt our message by using substitution cipher. So we have already plain text and key. Now we need to cipher text. So the calculation process is same. Here B plus 1 mod 26. The value of B is 22 and the key is 1. So 23 mod 26. 26 is the base of alphabet. So we mod 23 by 26. We get 23. The alphabetic value of 23 is W, and O plus 2, the value of O is 15 and the key is 2. That's 17. That is mod by 26 and we get 17. The encrypted value 17. the alphabetic value of 70 is Q. So we get our ciphertext, expected ciphertext WQBBI ACS. So that is your encryption process. I hope we already understand how can we encrypt our message by using cryptography. So thank you for listening my presentation and hope all you are already know best and thank you.